Once again, I find myself in a lovely hot hatch from Seat. I just reviewed the Ibiza Cupra and now we are in the bigger Leon Cupra. A car that I actually reviewed last year when it was still called the Cupra 280. So the name change here, 290, already tells you what's going on here. They've gone from 280 to 290 horsepower, but that's not the most important change here. The most important change is the sound, and I guess people who are interested in this car really want to hear as much of this new exhaust system that they use as possible in this video. So I will really try to focus on that. I don't want to give you a full in-depth review on the Leon Cupra yet again. But what I can tell you here is that this car has the performance package. I'm driving a car with the DSG transmission this time, not the manual like I did last year. And this is the 3-door version, the SC, not the 5-door version. In comparison to the small Ibiza, this is just a lovely place to be, I have to say. I wish they would have given the Ibiza the same interior materials that the Leon here has. So we have nice soft touch material here on the doors. These seats here are among the best that I've ever experienced. Yes, they are optional, but I would absolutely recommend you to get these sport seats here. They are, just amazing. They offer superb side support. Just great seats. Sound was always something that was missing a bit in the Leon Cupra, and customers complained about that. So they've deleted the middle silencer, and that has changed the sound of this car quite dramatically, I have to say. So on upshifts you get these really loud bangs, which is, I guess, a sound that some people like, others won't. I find it quite enjoyable in this car, I have to say. But what I really like is the backfire that you get when you lift off or when you're downshift. And there's a point where you can activate it as often as you want, actually, right around 4,000 RPM. Let's see if I can show you that. As far as the driving experience is concerned, well, I'm driving this car on a wet road right now, and you can switch the electronic stability control in 3 different settings here, but I'm not going to touch that just because out of corners this car really does struggle for traction, being front wheel driven. But on a bone dry road, I think this car is very fast and not that much slower actually than a Golf R, which costs a lot more money. So yeah. If I was buying one of these, I would definitely go for the performance package, which gives you the bigger brakes. The electronic stability control and this e-diff here in this car really work nicely, I have to say, in general. They really give this car a very confidence-inspiring driving experience. It's really easy to drive this car fast, and it's fun to drive it fast. As you guys know from my last Leon Cupra 280 review, they've achieved a Nürburgring Nordschleife time of under 8 minutes with this car. This was the first front-wheel driven car that achieved a time of under 8 minutes as far as I know, and you can really feel that. This car is nicely developed and just fun to drive, confidence inspiring to drive. And the sound, is pretty good, I have to say. So I'm curious to hear what you guys think about the sound, but also about this car in general. If you are considering to buy one of these, I hope this video was helpful for you, so definitely let me know. And yeah, hope to see you in one of my next reviews, guys. Drive safely, take care, see you soon.